Today I'm going to show you how to make the most of GPT-powered assistants right inside ClickUp, or really any other major project management tool. If you're looking to boost your productivity, get smarter recommendations, or simply work faster, this video will walk you through exactly how to tap into built-in AI features without any complicated integrations or tech headaches. By the end, you'll know how to use AI to help craft better task descriptions, brainstorm ideas, and streamline communication, all from within your project management workspace. Let's dive in. First off, you might have heard that ClickUp recently rolled out a big update. The platform now has Brain, which is actually a built-in version of ChatGPT. You don't need to install anything extra, upload plugins, or mess around with APIs. The magic is that Brain is already integrated. Depending on your account or workspace, it's powered by the latest GPT models, and you can access it right from the left pane of your dashboard. So here's how it works. Once you're inside ClickUp, take a quick look at the left sidebar. You'll spot Brain there waiting to help you out. Think of it as your own personal AI assistant embedded into every corner of your project workflow. Let's say you want to start working on a task. Just find any task you're interested in, from marketing to coding to content creation. It doesn't matter which. Click into it, and you'll see that Brain is available as a smart feature right in the task details. Now here, where things get really practical. Suppose you're looking at a blank task and feeling a bit stuck. Maybe you need a strong, clear description to kick things off or communicate details to your team, but words just aren't coming. No problem, simply click to activate Brain and ask it to write a description for you. You can be specific in your prompt. Write a short description for a social media campaign or summarize this sprint planning. The AI will instantly generate a suggested description, saving you time and mental effort. This is a game changer, especially if you have a lot of repetitive work or want to keep your documentation neat and consistent. But let's say you need help on the fly while chatting with your teammates. ClickUp's Brain is also woven directly into the comment or chat section within each task. Just click into the comment box, type your prompt. Maybe you need it to draft a reply to a stakeholder or generate a checklist from a discussion, and Brain will assist you right there. If you've ever found yourself staring at a chat window, unsure what to say or how to phrase feedback, this built-in AI gives you a nudge in the right direction and helps keep those communications moving smoothly. What's even better is that AI assistance isn't confined to any single area. Everywhere you go in ClickUp, whether it's tasks, comments, planning, docs, or internal chats, you can ask Brain for help, ideas, or even quick answers to questions. It's like having a helpful, knowledgeable coworker who's always available and never gets tired, so you don't need to worry about extra integrations or switching between apps. AI assistance is baked in and accessible whenever you need it. That's really all there is to it. AI has become a seamless part of your project management process. Take a moment to explore these features and don't hesitate to play around with different prompts to see how Brain can help you work faster and smarter. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips for using AI in your workflow. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.